back and forth. Try lifting one leg, lifting the other leg. And then you do basic Charleston with that. So it's touch and touch. And touch, step, and touch. Step. Practice that. If this is too crazy, you can always just go back to like this thing.
Simple.
Yeah.
Still a good person.
Then we adjusted a little bit forwards. Still went boom, hop, boom, hop.
These go 1, 3, 5, 6.
So then we put it together.
Connecting up with this. You can connect like this, just for practice, like if you want. You can also dance this way. This helps you get the arms right. And then we connect a little closer, right like this. You can have your arms totally still. You can have a little bit of leftover feel like that. That's fine too. Twist these if you want. And here are our turns. Followers. Turning slow. And coming back together really late. Turn slow.
The broke step for them.
Leaders can turn to on the second half. Boop, ba, hey, ha, ha, ha. Go, go. Ha, you can leave it here because we go. That's fine too. We can do both. Hey, ha, then me. Hey, sneaky, hey. Ha, and that's it. We did most of every time. Everybody and it.